So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through completing the square method. So here the quadratic equation is 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So first we'll write it. So this is directly not given in the form of quadratic equation. We have to bring it in the form of quadratic equation first and then solve it. Okay. So 10x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So that implies, okay, it's a bit slow, okay. So 10x square minus 1 by x is equal to 3. That implies 10x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. That implies 10x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. We have brought it in the form of this format. Okay, proper quadratic equation format, ax square plus bx plus c. Now we have to solve it. So here we have to multiply something here to bring it into a proper square format, because 10 cannot be converted into a proper square format without involving square root. So a proper number, a whole number, square format, for that we'll multiply 10 on both sides. Multiplying 10 on both sides, we get 100x square minus 30x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, this. That implies, now we'll take this minus 10 to the other side. 100x square minus 30x is equal to 10. Now we have to bring this side in a minus b whole square format. So that implies 10x whole square minus, this we have to write it in 2ab format. 2 into 10x, which is equal to a into 3 by 2, yes, 3 by 2. Now plus 3 by 2 whole square, that is b square, on both sides we have to add. Same usual approach that we have done in all the previous questions. So here this is a square, this is 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, so this is a minus b whole square form. So that implies 10x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 10 plus 9 by 4, which is equal to 49 by 4. 40 plus 9 by 4, let me write it in a proper way, which is equal to 49 by 4, which is equal to, well, now we'll not take the square root. Okay, so this is equal to 49 by 4. That implies x minus 3 by 2 is equal to square root of 49 by 4, which is equal to plus minus 7 by 2. Now that implies 10x is equal to 3 by 2 plus minus 7 by 2. Okay, So that implies 10x is equal to 3 by 2 minus 7 by 2, or 10x is equal to 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2. That implies 10x is equal to 3 minus 7, which is equal to minus 4 by 2, which is equal to minus 2. Okay, so 10x is equal to minus 2 implies x is equal to minus 2 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 5, or here 10x is equal to 3 plus 7 by 2 plus 10x is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. That implies 10x x is equal to 5 by 10, which is equal to 1 by 2. So the two solutions, the two roots of x here are x is equal to minus 1 by 5, or x is equal to 1 by 2. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation. X is equal to 1 by 2, or x is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay, so this is it. So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through completing the square method. So here it is given, the equation is 2 by x square minus 5 by x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now it is not in proper quadratic equation format. We have to bring it into quadratic equation format and then solve it. So first we'll write the equation 2 by x square minus 5 by x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we can write it in this way, LCM x square, so it's 2 minus 5x plus 2x square is equal to 0. Okay, that implies when this goes to the right hand side, gets multiplied by 0, so it becomes 0. So we have 2 minus 5x 2, it's a bit, okay, 2 minus 5x plus 2x square is equal to 0, or that implies 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the proper quadratic equation format. Now we have to solve this. So now the approach is we have to multiply 2 on both sides. Why? To bring it into a proper whole square form. So multiplying 2 on both sides we get 4x square minus 10x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we'll take this plus 4 and take it to the right hand side. That implies 4x square minus 10x is equal to minus 4. That implies now we have to bring this in a minus b whole square form. So we can write it as 2x whole square for 4x square minus 2 into 2x into 5 by 2. Yes, 5 by 2, because this should be equal to 10x. 2 gets cancelled, 5 into 2x is 10x. So here this is a square, this is a to ab, so a is equal to 2x, b is equal to 5 by 2. Now we have to add 5 by 2 whole square on both sides. Whole square minus 4 plus 5 by 2 whole square. So equal to this much. So that implies this is a minus b whole square. 2x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 4 plus 25 by 4, which is equal to minus 16 plus 25, which is equal to 9 by 4. Okay, that implies two x minus 5 by 2 is equal to root over of 9 by 4, which is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. That implies two x is equal to 5 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 plus 2x is equal to 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2, or 2x is equal to 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. That implies 2x is equal to here 8 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2 is 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. That implies x is equal to 2, or here that implies 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the two possible roots, two possible solutions of the above quadratic equation. X is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2. Again, the equation was not in proper quadratic equation format. So we had to first convert it into a proper ax square plus bx plus c format, and then we have to solve it through completing the square method. The remaining approach was same. Okay.